multiple 99999 4 times 9s. Okay, then after that we are moving towards fitting the model. Okay, I already discussed for the sequential model one, for there the dense layer we are already added in that. Then here we are fitting the model with 10 epoch. You can change to 15, 5 or any number. It's not a big issue. Then after that we are predicting the model with the help of model.predict for testing purpose. I am taking the image 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5 and n numbers, so it will be giving us output. Whether it will classify in a correct way or wrong way, it will be shown. Okay. For 10 epoch, here the output we get 0.9954, and for testing purpose we are just checking that few images, so it will be given as output this one. Then after that we are focusing for making the classification, whether it will classify in a proper or improper way. Okay, and this is the accuracy for the generalized model or neural network model. So accuracy is around, we are getting the accuracy is 98.0.5. How it is going to change the accuracy? Because I am taking the epoch number layer higher, that's why it is going to output in higher way. Then after that, this is for the incorrect classification. I already done it, that's why. Then now we are focusing on the deep neural network, and we are defining the model equal to sequence, and we are adding the dense layer. The first layer is a ReLU one, and another also is a ReLU one, and third one is also ReLU one. But the first layer is a basic layer, and after that we are adding the 2 dense layer in that. So input dimension is the number of pixels, and activations we can also put the output dimension also, big deal. And after that the model.add, we are using the dense function, so number of class, and activation function is the softmax. We already discussed the activation functions, and they are the optimizers like HGDX optimizers, gradient descent optimizers. So like that we are using the Adam as optimizer, and we are using the matrix as accuracy. We can also use the different matrix parameters also, and we are returning the model. Then after that this model is called, so we are calling this model as a summary. Then after that we are fitting this model with the help of fitting function, and with this fitting function we changes the number of epochs. Normally we are taking the 5 epoch, but we are changing the epoch to 10, 15, so for giving us how the output is going to show. Okay, so it's already running, that's why I'm adding the dense layer. Okay, so 784 into 784 plus 784 giving the 6150400, and 784 into 784 this same one, and last layer is a 784 into 10 plus 10, and it is giving as it is the last layer, and accuracies get increases. And for testing purpose the accuracy is given around 97.07%, and for incorrect classification, this already we discussed that how to calculate the incorrect classification, and the same function like one, and we are showing in subplots. Okay, so here the number of rows are 5, number of columns are 3, number of images are number of rows into number of columns in this way, and with the help of plot.figure figure shows into twice. Why we are taking the twice into twice as number of columns? Because total columns are 3, but we are taking in a 2-way because it's the combination of 1 and 1, 2, and the row it is going to twice into 1 plus 1. So in this way it is returning.